Here's a direct question. Are people who own cars allowed to give hitchhikers a lift?
No, they are not. They are not allowed. It's our business. They are infringing our rights because we are taxi operators with permit to load passengers. But people cannot just pick up people because they're not taxis.
If it's a family member, if it is my family member that I'm giving a lift
How do you
to work.
see your family member on the street?
So I'm supposed to confirm to you that this is my family member and somehow
As I was
prove.
saying, every company's got securities. If you see there's a family member is hiking there and you see there's a patrol car, just stop your car, go to the security guy and explain to them to say, this is my family member, please allow me to pick that person. I don't think they'll give you a problem.
It's a country of laws, Mr. Sibanyoni. I do not have to explain myself to I don't have to explain myself to a security guard who is driving in a vehicle. For all I know, this could be a criminal. Why must I stop and explain myself to some person as to why I have a passenger in my car?
Yes, it's a country of law, but that country of law, it doesn't say you must violate other people's rights.
Bafowethu so tlhaka no di jive maphambuka aswira la ka marampa ya Vanderbay Park. So what happened? Donald this other gamumbiana na la ka mara gidlilai a driver aya spanning. So motseleng da so wa bona re se motho eme mo le site nga mitsi ene ra pleke one re spana company e one ere ke no phaka mo pela ha ka da so ke mo fe lift ke sa mo khawata shula la snambo sa tsena ka da sa fa da mani lift ba tsama kante di taxi patrollers tsa ko Civic Center Taxi Association ba mo lebelletse ba dluksile ba go 13 boss ba nana ngare mothola o tsa di hitchhiker a ba itsuru mothola ba itsane batho ba le ba spana bo botle ebile last number ela o ya spanning a shifale ke bona ba sa re follow ba mo setse follow ba fana bana ba fitla ka daso ba imampela kule ba breaker daso last number la a shifale ba sa bula mina go ba sa montsha ka marogole ba sa mo shapa ka dishala ga metha ka di take 5 metha ka di screama daso last number kante brawler wa record at that moment dollar ba betha braya high for mo fa lift fela hore ba emerokong bo botle so shifale ke bona manyora ba le ba sa metha ka mimpama ba sa metha ka di screama daso so video ela e thoma ba viral mo social media. What is the investigators on social media ba ka pele da so ba sa manage to identify hore batho bale ke bo mang. So case ba ibutsi ko Vanderbay police station those people must appear before the court. Guys, this thing ya taxi ke tlhakatlhakano ke mawaza ba futhu. The government really needs to intervene, otherwise we are gonna lose so much lives because of this thing. Araben careful dango.
Hello Sanbon guys, niyabona nje ukuthi bantu bema-taxi basiphethe South Africa basilawula kuyo yonke into abafuni ukubhadala i-tax and i-government yabayekela yabasaba and now sebaqalile baharaza bantu bala eSouth Africa bakhohle ukuthi yonke le nkinga ibangelwa ngoba angeke ukuthi ungusomatekisi lo yi-1 ube na 40 ema-taxi ucabanga ukuthi le 40 ema-taxi yohamba ko yes siyavuma ukuthi uvula amathuba emisebenzi but labo driver bakho uma bayi-40 kumele bayofole erenkini ucabanga ukuthi olayisha kayingaki ngelanga ngiko lokuletha i-frustration kulabo somatekisi sabe bese baharaza abantu labatikhethelako ukuthi kumele bagibele yiphi i-transport. Because umuntu uma kajaha emsebenzini angeke amele itaxi lelayisha 15 ukuthi igcwale aza acoshwe emsebenzini just because itaxi ayikagcwala. And uma saqoshiwe emsebenzini angeke nimncede ngalutho. Umuntu uma saqoshiwe emsebenzini kude bosomatekisi labangenelelako ukuthi okay banqothe leyo muntu. So umuntu unelungelo as much as basibona bosomatekisi banelungelo labo lokuthi balayishe emgwaqeni kude lo munye lunelungelo lokuthi alayishe but nemuntu naye unelungelo ukuthi akhethe ukuthi ugibela yipi inhlobo ye transport and actually umgibeli unelungelo ukudlula bona bosomatekisi because customer is always right. So angathi ukuthi sesihlubethelani, angathi ukuthi sesiharazelani, ukuthi singagcina sesife or sigcine sesibulalana sodwa sidubulane sodwa. Because inkinga ekubo angeke ukuthi uyi-1 ube na 60 ematekisi uthi ayohamba kuphi, ayolayisha kuphi. Kuthi umuntu otovumela ukuthi okay alahlekelwe umsebenzi just because umele ukuthi itaxi igcwale while lenye inhlobo ye-transport ikhona lingamthathi yombeka emsebenzini before isikhathi sakhe aseve umsebenzi wakhe because sihluphekile. Asinato timoto thina labanye, then labanetimoto emakibo bafelani ukuthi bakhiphe imali esikhwameni kube imoto ekhaya ikhona because siyasokhola. Uma ubona isihlobo sakho or i-relative yakho ekuyiphe i-lift uyajabula nawo ngobe loyo 20 rand loyo kumbe loyo 30 rand or 10 rand loyo uyaseva uyothenga tamatisi, uthenga anyanisi. Bantu bematekisi abasolve inkinga zabo basekele emgwaqeni, nathi sinemalungelo. Please continue to watch the next video and see ukuthi bantu bematekisi basihlubeta kangakanani.
Dumelang guys. So Rizaskolongo, it's a guy Alfred B. Magapani ne? Alfred B. Magapani to attend. So we're going to gating a school and then Ochalla takes yela ilungopil. Takes yela ilungopilela. Abana bileka izum. Kitol wancha number plate. Sarbucha raga rama so do 10 rand. Are it's final ring care tablela likumashe. So arwala rola kwarelu group. Erfika ranking. Are followers. The commercial at our taxi driver to Dimbar Casella or which are winner. Azangabana Mejaga at 10 rand. It's fine, not a desert okay, not a hawk on. I'm sister at school. So as we speak about escortiller, taxi copele, EMT, Mokerina mo. And then the Nali taxi up a camera. EMT, but escortiller or Riscara hiker. Riscara namel, and Ergas high, cover escort to Sufika Lamasut. Arna problem. Risha Pulaba Lava. Cool. Say hi, friends. Hi. But escortile, guys, lava. We're escorted. Today we're escorted.